Good morning and welcome to UND's Weather Update. My name is Dylan Vogt. Look at our headlines for this Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. It's going to be a beautiful day today with high temperatures sitting in the 70s. Winds are going to begin to switch as a cold front moves through the area. Start to switch coming out of the northwest later this afternoon. We have a beautiful warm weekend in store for us. Right now outside in Grand Forks, we're sitting underneath partly cloudy skies, right around 51 degrees with those winds on the south-southwest at 11 miles per hour, keeping us nice and warm last night and right now at that 51 degrees. Temperatures right now throughout the nation, you can see a lot of variation in temperature. LA right now at 64. Miami already though down here already at 85 degrees for this 9 o'clock hour. Nice and toasty down there in South Florida. Temperatures right now throughout the area, you can see high 40s and low 50s throughout much of the area. Minot an outlier right now at 58 degrees already this morning. Now moving to our satellite and radar in the Caribbean, we do have a Hurricane Delta down here, and as we move throughout the night tonight into early tomorrow morning, it's going to impact parts of Cancun and parts of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico as a Category 4 hurricane. So that's some serious impacts for that area. As we move throughout the day, or throughout the week rather, looks like it's going to stretch and get closer and closer to making landfall in parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and possibly even Texas. Somewhere in this area looks like it will make landfall later this week. So if you have any family down there, make sure to let them know. Make sure they're safe. But moving to our national satellite and radar, not much really happening. We have this high pressure system dominating the entire Midwest of the U.S. We have this a couple storms popping up along the stationary boundary. Moving into our area, there are a few showers popping up ahead of this cold front around this warm front. As we move throughout the day today, as this cold front progresses, some showers are possible as it moves southeast. But the big thing here for us here in Grand Forks, after this cold front moves through, the winds are going to switch. They were coming from the south. After this moves through, though, winds are going to start coming from the northwest. And they're going to be howling out for the northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Moving into tonight, we do have a chance of some showers throughout the Canadian border in northern Minnesota and northern North Dakota as we move throughout the night tonight into early tomorrow morning. Before this high pressure system early tomorrow morning will sit over right apart North Dakota, bringing us some sunny skies for our Wednesday. Today in Grand Forks, 74 degrees, warm temperatures, but it's going to be breezy. Winds starting on the south-southwest at 10 to 15 before switching after that cold front moves through, coming from the northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Today throughout the area, you can see 80s throughout parts of South Dakota. Warm day over there. The cold front's not quite going to reach there as quickly as it will reach us here in Grand Forks. 70s and even some high 60s in parts of northern Minnesota. Because of those high winds, and we actually have relatively low humidity levels, you can see our fire weather warning. We have a fire weather warning. Actually, a red flag warning is in effect for much of eastern North Dakota and all the stretching all the way down to south of the Minnesota River Valley. Tonight in Grand Forks, 44 degrees, mostly cloudy, windy, with those winds still coming out of the west-northwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 65 degrees, a big cool down from today. Partly cloudy skies, that chilly breeze still coming out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow throughout the area, you can see 50s, high 50s for parts of northern Minnesota, 70s for parts of South Dakota, a lot cooler than the high temperatures for today. And finally, for our 7-day forecast, windy. We got that windy graphic here because it's going to be windy for these next few days. But the weekend looks beautiful. High temperatures in the 70s. Saturday might reach 70 as well. For Monday, we're cooling off to the mid-60s.